Hi there, students. Frangible, an adjective. Frangibly, an adverb, quite unusual. And frangibility, a noun, even more unusual. Okay, frangible means fragile, delicate, easily broken, breakable. So you need to wrap these items carefully as they are frangible and likely to get broken. All of the frangible exhibits in the show were inside showcases because you know what people are like. Osteoporosis makes bones much more frangible. They break more easily. Frangible china plates are not suitable for a school canteen. Okay, so frangible, easy to break. Yeah. Notice frangible doesn't necessarily mean that it breaks easily, but that it is breakable as well. You can use it like that. Notice very often this word frangible is used to mean designed to break under certain conditions, designed to break. So, for example, the nuts or the bolts holding an aircraft engine in place are normally frangible. If there's an accident, the bolt breaks and the engine comes off and moves away from the aircraft, and that's the idea. It's frangible, it's designed to break. Or, for example, frangible bullets. This is a bullet that is designed to break up on impact. It breaks into pieces and therefore it's frangible. So frangible, designed to break. Yeah, it's part of its nature. So let's see. Be careful with this word. Yeah. Be careful, because I think there are many native speakers who will not know the meaning of this word. It's a perfectly valid word. It's a good word, but maybe many people are not going to understand it. So don't be upset if they don't. Okay, you can use frangible metaphorically as well. His frangible state of mind meant that he was very unstable. The situation was very frangible and violence could break out at any moment. I said I would help you if I had time, but I didn't sign an infrangible contract. So here, infrangible, unbreakable. So frangible, easily broken, delicate, fragile, a frangible glass. Designed to break under certain circumstances, frangible bullets, frangible nuts and bolts. And then you could use it as a metaphor as well. His health is very frangible, so we need to look after him well. So next question, what about formality? I think I'd probably give this a 6.5, maybe a 7 in formality. I think probably it's the formality I've given is quite high because it's not a common word. It's not a word many people will know. So it sounds a bit literary and poetic. I think informally you'd say fragile, delicate, breakable, something like that. And then the origin, well, the origin comes from the Latin word frangere or frangere, to break, to shatter. So that's easy. So something that's frangible is something that's brittle, that can be broken, that breaks easily. And then something designed to be broken, and then metaphorically, well, as you wish. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Frangible.